What is up, everybody? In today's video we are installing an E30 M3 DTM wing on the E30 to make the rear end look a little bit better. All that in today's episode. My name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Let's get into it. So as you guys know, it is a 318 IS, and so it normally has this little IS lip here. I'll show it in another clip, but I was able to take it off and sell it. So I knew that I was getting in the DTM wing, so I went over and I sold this for a bit of my money back. So if you go through here, you can see that there are just 10mm bolts to pull off the rear spoiler, and then that is it, and it just pops off. But unfortunately, after pulling off the spoiler, you can see that the E30 has a little bit of rust on the trunk. So a little bit of boiling, like bubbling, and just some not happy metal. So we can fix that in a later video. I want to put like rubber grommets in here when I do fix the actual rust, just so that there's no water getting in the trunk and creating more rust. So we'll fill all of these holes and get that looking better. But in terms of this rust, I will do a different video on that and how to properly fix it. But this DTM wing, it came from Garagistics. They were having a good deal on it, so I picked one up, and I'm very excited about this. I love the look of them, but let's get this unboxed. So what's nice about this kit is that it is ABS plastic, and so it's a very hard plastic rather than the like eBay fiberglass. So it should be a lot more sturdy and actually hold up. We are going to color match this the same as the fenders, so it should be the same color as the car, and then I'm going to keep this black. Just because I think that that looks better. So I'll grab a can of black spray paint. So that is loosely what it's going to look like. Again, it's going to be color matched, but it's nice and ridiculous in terms of the rear view mirror. Doesn't take up too much, which is good, but it's nice and visible. What is also nice about this kit is that it has like a good inch of adjustment, so you can make it nice and big and obnoxious, or you can kind of tame it down a tiny bit. So that's very, very nice, but I'm going to get this all mocked up, and then we will need to run and get a drill from the store. Okay, so I went ahead and got a Sharpie, I got a drill, and I went ahead and these small lines are where I'm going to be drilling, just moved in a little bit, and this is where I can't go past. So this is the end of the wing, and same thing on the other side, it is marked up. So I'm going to drill in one side, make sure the bolts fit, and then secure the other side, and then we're going to paint it. So hopefully this goes well and I knock it out in one smooth motion, and that's what we're hoping. Okay, so far I've gotten the rear ones done. I was off on, I drilled another hole and I was off, so I should have measured again. So the nice thing is that this sheet metal is super easy to drill through. This thing is going through it like with ease. So I got it mounted up. I'm going to finish on the other two holes on each side, and then once it's fully mounted, I'll take it off one more time, I'll slap some paint on it, and then we will hit it with some clear coat as well. Okay, now there is no going back. We have a bunch of holes drilled. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean these up, and then yeah, we will get some paint so that they don't rust, and then we will paint this bad boy. Like I've shown you guys before, I had the color match from Touch Direct, and we are gonna get this bad boy painted. We're just gonna do nice light coats, trying to get every angle. We are done with coat 1. It is currently 105 degrees outside, so we are, like, this should dry very, very quickly. I want to make sure that I'm not spraying it too fast, but a lot of this is already dry just from the first round. Okay, so I did run out of paint, but I got the base layer on, and it looks good. Again, this is going to have a clear coat on it, so it should shine up a little bit more, but that's gonna look so awesome. I ordered another can of spray paint. The clouds are looking a little doomy over there, so it might rain, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this one spray painted black, because I think that that's just gonna look better, but it's gonna look so good on the E30. What's funny is that it actually makes the E30 look smaller, but more aggressive. It's super, super cool. So unfortunately, like I said, I ran out of spray paint, so like half of it's covered. But I didn't want to do a bad job on this because it, you know, it's gonna look nice if I do a good job. So I'm going to throw this in the back of the E30 with that, and we will continue this on a later date. Okay, so unfortunately I had to order some more, but it showed up pretty quickly. So we are going to finish painting the wing, and we will get it mounted today. So that is very exciting. So this color is actually really weird. It shows up very blotchy, and then once it dries, it kind of evens out. I'm not going to focus too much on this area, just because it's going to be hidden and already underneath. So I made sure to get the corners and the edges really good. And again, this is all not very visible, so I'm going to hit it with one last little coat. But I'm gonna let it dry and make sure that it's all even. This piece is looking great. We're going to start on the back piece, and again, we're just going with a gloss black. I just went with this guy just because it's the cheapest gloss black, and it's gonna look really good against that. So I will have to mount the wing on the E30 and see what it actually covers on the bottom. I'm still having issues trying to find the grommets to fill those back little holes. I don't know if you guys have a good recommendation to fill those holes. Let me know. But I think it's gonna look good. I think it's gonna cover enough of the back trunk lid to not show any issues. But I'm very excited for it. I think that this came out good. The wing looks very good. So we're gonna wait for this to dry, hit it with a couple more coats, and then we will put on the 2K clear coat. That way it doesn't fade and it will look nice and shiny. And now the wing is painted, the back is painted, and now we are ready for the clear coat. So this has the hardener in it, so we're just going to pop that and do a nice good couple coats on this wing. So as you guys can see, it added a nice shine to it. We're going to do one final coat, and we're going to make it nice and just thick and glossy without doing any runs, and then we will let it dry, flip that over. We're going to do just one coat on the bottom, and then we will finish with that. Okay, both parts of the wing are fully done, and now I'm going to let them dry. I'm gonna go touch up the holes that I drilled on the back of the E30 just so that they don't rust, and then while that's drying, these will be drying, and then I will get ready to throw them on the car. So since it is 102 degrees right now in Austin, my phone got way too hot, and I don't know how much it actually ended up recording. But we got it all mounted up. The wing looks really good. I'm really happy with how the paint color came out, and it looks close enough to the actual paint color. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick video around the car, but it looks really good. It came out really good. I'm very happy with garagistics and the quality of this wing. It's pretty reasonably priced, and I will leave a link in the description down below. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. We are killing it on the subscribers, so I have to thank you guys so much. But until next time, my name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Have an amazing day. Peace.